Day 1, morning 7:30 am. I am around 73.95 kg, which is around 163 pounds. I am going to try taking only oats for the entire day. Just the oats recipes for breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner. Let's see if it makes any difference. For the breakfast, we will make oats smoothie. Let's see how to prepare this. First of all, for this, we need soaked almonds. So, I have taken around 6 almonds and soaked them in water overnight. Here are the soaked almonds after soaking overnight. Now, remove the skins of these almonds. Almond skins are not healthy, so better to remove them. Now, take a quarter cup of rolled oats or quick oats. Dry roast the oats on low flame for about 3 minutes. Now take a smoothie blender jar, add the soaked peeled almonds to this. To this add a quarter cup of roasted oats. Toss in 2 seedless soft dates to this. Finally add around 1 glass of water. You can also add milk if you want. Just blend everything. After blending, the oats smoothie is ready. Take it into a smoothie mug. That's all. The healthy, protein-rich smoothie is ready to enjoy. This is gonna be my breakfast. Total calories in my breakfast is 206 calories. For the lunch, I will try out oats porridge. Let's see how to make it. Take half cup of rolled oats or quick oats. Dry roast the oats on low flame for about 3 minutes. Now to this add 1 cup of water and half cup of milk. You can choose low fat milk or regular milk. Add 1 cinnamon stick. Cinnamon gives a nice aroma and flavor to our porridge. Now chop apples with the skin into medium pieces like this. Add around 1 cup of these apple pieces also into this porridge. This gives sweetness and nice taste. Stir everything once and close the lid. Bring this to boil on medium heat. After 5 minutes, the porridge is almost ready. Now open the lid, add 1 tablespoon of sliced almonds to this and mix everything once again. Cook on simmer for 2 more minutes and switch off the stove. Mix everything once. Garnish with the thinly sliced apples and chopped almonds as you are seeing. This is so delicious and very tasty to consume along with apples. This has got a total of 340 calories. For the evening snack, I am going to try oats and egg omelette. This is tasty and spicy recipe. Let's see how to prepare this. Take 2 eggs and beat them. Now to this add a quarter cup of rolled or quick oats. You need not roast the oats beforehand for this process as we are going to cook them along with the eggs. Now to this add veggies like chopped green chili and chopped onions. You can optionally add other veggies too. Mix everything. Add salt and pepper per your taste. I am adding a dash of salt and a dash of black pepper. Add chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix one more time. Take a pan, switch on the stove on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spread this mixture like omelette. Cover it with a lid and let it roast. It takes around 2 minutes to roast on one side. Roast it on both sides until it gets slight brown color. Once omelette is cooked, take it into a serving plate. That's all. The appetizing veggie oats omelette is ready to enjoy. I am going to have this as my evening snack. The total calories in this veggie egg omelette is 266 calories. For the dinner, we will prepare oats veggie chilla. Take half cup of rolled oats or quick oats. Dry roast the oats on low flame for around 3 minutes. Grind it using a mixer grinder jar into powder. It need not be so fine, just a little coarse grinding is actually enough. To this, add 2 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt. If you don't have low-fat yogurt, you can use regular yogurt also. Now we will add spices. Add a dash of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 small green chili peppers according to your spice level. Add a half inch of ginger. Add half tablespoon of salt. Now add half cup of water to get desired consistency. Grind it again in the mixer grinder jar to form a nice smooth paste. It should have consistency similar to dosa or pancake. I am adding basic veggies like 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot and coriander leaves. You can optionally add other veggies. Mix everything properly. That's all, our mix is ready. Leave it like this for 10 to 15 minutes so that oats and other ingredients soak well and become soft like a batter. After 15 minutes, the oats mix is all set. To this, add half cup of water again and mix it well. That's all, our final mix is ready for making chilas. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spread this mix like dosa or pancake. Optionally, you can cover it with a lid and let it roast. Once you notice slight golden brown color on one side, turn it to the other side and let it roast. Once it is roasted to golden brown on both sides, take it off the pan. That's all, our mouth-watering oats veggie chilas are ready to eat. This is going to be my dinner. The total calories in this are around 270 calories. Day 2 morning 6:40 am. Overall, it was just about 1000 calories I had yesterday. I am around 73 kgs or 161 pounds. There is not much difference, a weight loss by just 2 pounds or 1 kilogram. However, I felt light, active and energetic all the day. No doubt, oats keep you light, active and promote weight loss. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.